Animal Safari.
Can you guess who's who? Known as the King of the Jungle, he has a powerful roar and lives in social groups called prides. Tick, 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 tick.
Lion.
They are the largest land animals, known for their long trunks used for communication, breathing, and grasping objects. Tick, 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 tick.
Elephant.
They are highly agile and intelligent animals, often using tools and forming complex social structures within their groups. Tick, 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 tick.
Monkey.
They are the tallest mammals on Earth, with long necks that help them reach high branches for food and serve as a lookout for predators. Tick, 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 tick.
Giraffe.
They are apex predators with powerful jaws and a stealthy hunting approach, often ambushing prey near the water's edge. Tick, 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 tick.
Crocodile.
They are known for their vibrant pink plumage and unique feeding behavior, using their specialized bills to filter small organisms from the water. Tick, 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 tick.
Flamingo.
Thanks for joining us on this animal safari adventure. We hope you had a roaring good time learning about all the amazing animals. Stay tuned for more exciting explorations and animal discoveries.